So today, or in this video, we're gonna be talking about dictionaries, which are similar to lists, but we can assign a key to a certain value, so we access the value through the key. I'll explain it again in the video, but yeah, let's get straight into talking about dictionaries. Okay, so let me reset the timer. Okay, so let's get started talking about dictionaries. Dictionaries are similar to lists, but we can assign a value a key, so that we can, instead of accessing a value through indexing, we access it through the key. So let's create a dictionary called house dictionary, right? And let's set it to the dictionary, and instead of square brackets like we did in a list, we need curly braces. Then we put in the first key, so let's say brass key, then a colon, and then the value that it's assigned to, so let's say Jamie's house, then a comma like in list to say we're starting the second value, item. Second item is going to have the key gold key, and we'll unlock, colon here, we'll unlock Max's house. Now if we want to print say what will the brass key unlock, we just need to do house dictionary, square brackets, and then the key, so brass key, and we should see that the Python will print to us Jamie's house, which it does. And now if you want to say print all the keys, we do dot keys, and it's the same for values. So if I just copy this over, if we want to see all the values, we do dot values with brackets. If we run this, we will see that we'll be given all of the keys here and all of the values there. So that's all we're going to cover basically for dictionaries. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next time.